Yo, what's good? It's your boy Kurt, and today, man, we have another reaction, no? So today, we are going to react to James Reid and TJ Monterde Pahinga official live performance. Nung nakaraan ko pa ito gustong painggan, nakakalimutan ko lang. So, salamat sa nag-request, man. Salamat. Well, we're going to listen to this now for the first time. And I assume this is the first time as well na mag-react tayo sa James Reid song and a TJ Monterde song dito sa channel natin. So I'm really excited. Well, without no further ado, no? Let's get it. Live at the farm. Oh, si James Reid.
Hinga ng nagmalalim, kapag mo nang pilitin, bigyan mo lang ng oras mag-isa. Wala nang kailangan, patayang patunayan sa damit natin na lagpasan pa. Kahit ang tahimik, ikaw lang ang nasa isip.
Oh.
Pwede bang magpahinga? Baka may masabi pa. Baby, I won't be long.
James Reid can sing, no? James Reid definitely can sing, man. That falsetto, man.
Baka may masabi pa. Baby, I won't be long.
Hey.
Ikaw ay mas mahalaga
Okay.
kaysa sa maging tama. Baby, I won't be long. I'll be back by the end of the song.
Oh.
Bago pa man tumakbo, pahingin isang minuto, tayo layo, pikit mga mata.
Hey.
Baka man mabitawan ng aking mga hihinayangan, di ko kaya na paluhain ka. Kahit ang tahimik, ikaw lang ang nasa isip.
I feel like I'm floating, man. I feel like I'm floating. What the hell?
Lang ang nasa isip. Pwede bang pahinga? Huwag ka may masabi pa. Baby, I won't be long.
Let's go.
Ikaw ay mas mahalaga
Hey.
kaysa sa maging tama. Baby,
Ikaw ay mas mahalaga kesa sa maging tama. God damn, man. God damn, that's when you know you're in too deep, man. You're in too deep. You're actually in love, no? Para masabi mo na ikaw yung mas mahalaga kesa sa maging tama. Like, what the hell? Like, if someone's gonna say that to you, I mean, I don't know. Ano pa yung mo, ida-doubt mo para I mean, as long as it's sincere, no? Pero ano bang ida-doubt mo na kung mahal ka ba o hindi? Right? Mas mahalaga ka kaysa maging tama. I know it's not good to hear in other contexts, no? Like, for example, may kabitan na nangyari, no? I mean, baka siya painggan. Pero, in other situation, man, come on.
Baby, I won't be long. I'll be back by the end song.
Ayokong saktan ka dahil sa galit at kaba. Kailangan umupa ng emosyong dala-dala. Luha mo'y pupunasan ko.
Hey!
Wala ko ng oras makatayo. Wala nang pipitaw, ikaw ang pipitihin araw-araw.
Ibang pahinga,
Hey!
may sabi pa.
Baby, won't be long. Baby, ang hirap, men.
Baby,
Baby, won't be long. Ang hirap nung ano na yun, vocal run na yun.
sabi pa. Baby, won't be long. Ikaw ay mas mahalaga kaysa sa maging tama.
Baby.
Baby, I won't be long.
Okay, you're overdoing it, man. Hindi ko nga kayang gawin yung umpisa eh, no? Come on, man.
I won't be long.
God damn.
Kahit ang tahimik, ikaw lang ang sasaisip mo. Kahit ang tahimik, ikaw lang ang nasa isip. Yeah.
God damn, that's fucking beautiful, man. Jeez. I love it, yeah. Me too. Alright, well that's James Reid and TJ Monterde, no? Pahinga, official live performance. Man. Like just wow, no? Like yung ipag-harmonize nila lahat. I mean, so smooth, you know, ang gaan. You feel like you're floating. I mean, again, thank you sa nag-request, no? Maraming salamat. Yeah, I mean, that's a wrap for today, man. James Reid can sing, man. James Reid can definitely sing. I mean, TJ Monterde, we all know na. Wala namang dapat patunayan. But for me, this is the first time actually that I hear James Reid na kumanta talaga. Like, kumanta-kanta talaga. No? May mga kanta siya dati na kasama si, ano, di ba? Si Nadine. But yung tono, yung tunog talaga niya, kakantahin niya. Kasi, nung napanood ko yung podcast ni James Reid kasama si yung SB19, I assume hindi naman talaga yun yung tunog niya, no? Yung kumanta sila ni hindi talaga yun yung music or type ng music na gusto niya. Kumanta sila ni Nadine, but ngayon napapakinggan natin yung music na mismong gusto niyang yung type ng music na gusto niyang i-promote. Man, James Reid can definitely sing. But well, that's a wrap for today, man. Sana gustuhan nyo. Leave a like and subscribe. Kung gusto mag-react sa video yung artist, man, singer, rapper, song, nag-react tayo dyan, just comment down below. And that's it for me today. You guys stay awesome. Peace.